We noticed one or two students are having a hard time completing the karyotyping activity, so I'm making this video to show students how to complete patient A and the poll. So the first thing you're going to do is go to Google Classroom. I'm going to be going a little bit quickly, so it's brief, but feel free to stop the video or pause it at any point. You're going to click the Google form, and you're going to click the karyotyping activity. The Google form will have all of the questions that you'll be expected to answer from the karyotyping activity. When you click the karyotyping activity, you can go through the introduction, your assignment, and then click patient histories. I'm going to show you how to do patient A. You need to do and complete patient B and C and answer the questions on the poll. So first you want to read the history. Patient A is the nearly full-term fetus of a 40-year-old female. Chromosomes were obtained from fetal epithelial cells acquired through amniocentesis. Then you want to click Complete Patient A's karyotype. You want to take the chromosome besides the paragraph and try to match it with the other chromosomes. You can only click one of the blue underlined numbers. Since this one looks like a long chromosome with these patterns, I think it's number 2. That's correct. So now I'm going to try the next one. If I do something wrong, like if I match this one with this long chromosome number 5, it'll tell me that I'm incorrect and why, and you can just click try again. So this short one definitely goes with number 16. And this one, it looks like it probably goes between 5 or 12, but it looks a little bit too short to be 5, so I'm going to choose 12. And this one looks a little bit longer, so this is going to be 5. Once you've completed the karyotype, you have to find where the extra chromosome belongs. So this looks like a very small chromosome. It definitely doesn't go with 13 or 18. It might be a chromosome here, one of the Y chromosomes. And if I click this one, it'll tell me that that's incorrect, so I'm going to go ahead and try again. Okay, well, then that leaves 21, because this is another short chromosome. If I click that one, then that is correct. The next thing you're going to do is make a diagnosis, and then you're going to interpret the karyotype. So you have the patient's karyotype, or here, and their history again here. Then you have all of the possible abnormalities and the possible diagnosis here. So, just going down the list, Klinefelters, you have one or more extra sex chromosomes. Well, let's look down. Nope, there's not an extra sex chromosome here. Down syndrome, trisomy 21, there's an extra chromosome at 21. Yes, here's 21, and here's the extra chromosome. So that means that this patient has Down syndrome. If it was trisomy 13, they would have an extra chromosome right here. So this patient's diagnosis is Down syndrome. And now to complete and interpret the karyotype, we need to complete the notation, which is the total number of chromosomes, the sex chromosomes, and any missing or autosomal chromosomes, missing or extra autosomal chromosomes. So the total number of chromosomes here would be 47, because the normal number is 46, but we have an extra chromosome here, so that's 46 plus the extra is 47. The sex chromosomes are XX because these are 2 X chromosomes. It would be a Y chromosome if it was about half the size of one of these. So it's 47 XX, and then the place where there's the extra or missing chromosome is at 21, and since it's an extra chromosome, it would be plus 21. So 47 XX plus 21. That would be the notation. Hopefully this helps as you're completing the activity. You'll be looking at where the samples were obtained from, which can be found in the patient history, the diagnosis, which we just showed how to do for patient A, and the notation. Email us if you have any questions, and good luck.